Choosing reliable gear matters when every cast counts, whether you fish freshwater lakes, rivers, or offshore waters with confidence and control. Best-rated fishing rods deliver strength, sensitivity, balance, and durability to match beginners and seasoned anglers alike everywhere today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ghosthorn Graphite Fishing Rod. The Ghosthorn Graphite Fishing Rod combo is designed for anglers who value portability, strength, and a well-rounded fishing kit without sacrificing performance. Built with 30-ton graphite, the telescopic rod is noticeably lighter than many mixed carbon fiberglass alternatives, reducing fatigue during long sessions while maintaining impressive firmness and sensitivity. This responsiveness makes it easier to detect subtle bites, whether fishing in calm freshwater lakes or more demanding saltwater environments. The ceramic guide rings use a reinforced weaving and resin process, which helps prevent loosening over time and improves durability when casting heavier lines. The upgraded reel stands out with its carbon fiber drag washer system, replacing traditional felt washers for smoother, more powerful drag performance. With stopping power reaching up to 34.3 pounds, it provides confidence when battling larger, aggressive fish. Stainless steel bearings and an all-metal rocker arm contribute to consistent, stable operation during retrieves. The included fish pliers and lip gripper add practical value, especially for anglers who want a complete setup straight out of the box. The pliers feature sharp, side-mounted cutters for quick line trimming, while the corrosion-resistant lip gripper allows safe, one-handed fish handling. Overall, the Ghosthorn combo is a solid choice for anglers who travel frequently or want a compact yet capable fishing solution that performs reliably across different fishing conditions. Number 2. Penn Battle Fishing Rod. The Penn Battle Fishing Rod and Reel Spinning combo is built for anglers who prioritize reliability, smooth operation, and trusted brand engineering. Featuring a one-piece graphite composite rod, this setup balances strength and lightweight handling, making it suitable for extended fishing trips without excessive arm strain. The Penn Dura guides are designed to withstand the heat and tension of stressed lines, offering long-term durability whether using mono or braided line. The reel's CNC-cut gearing delivers a consistently smooth retrieve, enhanced by a 6.2-to-1 gear ratio that recovers 30 inches of line per turn, allowing quick response when fish strike aggressively. The HT100 front drag system provides up to 10 pounds of drag, offering steady and controlled resistance during fights with medium-sized fish. A 5+1 stainless steel bearing system with instant anti-reverse ensures dependable performance and reduces unwanted handle play. With a medium light power rating and fast action, this combo is versatile enough for finesse techniques while still handling stronger runs. The cork handle adds comfort and a classic feel, accommodating both right and left-handed anglers. Overall, the Penn Battle combo is an excellent option for anglers seeking a durable, smooth-performing rod and reel setup that performs consistently in both freshwater and light saltwater environments. Number 3. Penn Pursuit Fishing Rod. The Penn Pursuit Fishing Rod and Reel Spinning combo is a dependable choice for anglers who want a lightweight yet tough setup designed with saltwater performance in mind. Built on a one-piece graphite composite blank, the rod offers a comfortable balance of sensitivity and durability, making it easier to feel bites while maintaining the strength needed for challenging conditions. The included size 2500 reel pairs well with the rod's medium light power, providing smooth and efficient retrieves thanks to its 6.2-to-1 gear ratio. Penn Dura guides enhance line protection and reduce friction, supporting both braided and monofilament lines without excessive wear. The HT100 front drag system delivers reliable pressure during fights, allowing anglers to maintain control without sudden drag slips. With 4 sealed stainless steel ball bearings and an instant anti-reverse bearing, the reel operates smoothly even after repeated exposure to moisture.
The moderate fast action makes this combo versatile for a wide range of techniques, from light lures to more controlled presentations. An EVA handle ensures a comfortable, secure grip even when hands are wet. Overall, the Penn Pursuit combo offers consistent performance, solid construction, and trusted engineering, making it a strong option for anglers who want dependable gear that handles both inshore saltwater and freshwater fishing with confidence.
Number 4. Sougayilang Telescopic Fishing Rod Combo. The Sougayilang Telescopic Fishing Rod Combo is an all-in-one solution aimed at beginners and casual anglers who want convenience without complex setup. This complete kit includes a collapsible rod, spinning reel, carrying bag, and essential accessories, allowing users to start fishing immediately. The telescopic rod design makes it highly portable, fitting easily into a backpack, car trunk, or travel bag, which is ideal for spontaneous fishing trips. Built to be lightweight and sensitive, the rod provides decent feedback when fish bite, while ceramic dides help reduce line friction and improve heat dissipation during casting. The spinning reel features shielded bearings and a 5.2:1 gear ratio, offering smooth retrieves and reliable performance for its class. An EVA handle adds comfort and grip, especially useful for beginners still developing proper technique. Available in multiple lengths, this combo allows anglers to choose a size that suits their fishing style and environment. The included accessories, such as lures and hooks, add practical value and make the set gift-ready. Overall, the Sougayilang Telescopic Fishing Rod Combo is a convenient, budget-friendly option that focuses on portability, ease of use, and versatility, making it well-suited for newcomers and occasional anglers alike.
Number 5. PLUSINNO Carbon Fishing Rod. The PLUSINNO Carbon Fishing Rod Combo is thoughtfully designed for beginners who want a comprehensive fishing kit without additional purchases. This full set includes 2 rods, 2 reels, fishing lines, assorted lures, hooks, and a carrier bag, making it a practical choice for learning anglers or casual fishing outings. The telescopic rods are made from carbon fiber and fiberglass blend, offering a balance of flexibility and durability while remaining lightweight and easy to transport. Stainless steel hooded reel seats resist corrosion, making the setup suitable for both freshwater and light saltwater use. The reels feature instant anti-reverse, power drive gears, and a deep aluminum spool that supports a generous line capacity. With a 5.2:1 gear ratio, the reels provide smooth and controlled retrieves suitable for a variety of fishing techniques. EVA grips enhance comfort and reduce hand fatigue during longer sessions. The medium power rating makes this combo versatile enough for targeting common species such as bass, trout, and catfish. Overall, the PLUSINNO combo stands out for its value, convenience, and beginner-friendly design, making it a solid gift option or an easy entry point for those starting their fishing journey.